Geometrical progression GP. A sequence A1, A2, A3, AN is called geometric progression if ratio of two consecutive terms is constant. कोई भी sequence अनुक्रम geometric progression गुणोत्तर श्रेणी में कहलाता है यदि दो लगातार पदों का अनुपात कांस्टेंट हो, स्थिर हो. एग्जाम्पल 3, 6, 12, 24 and so on. This is example of GP. Ratio of two consecutive term is 6 upon 3 to 12 upon 6 to 24 upon 12 2. This is called common ratio. R is equal to 6 upon 3 is equal to 2, 12 upon 6 is equal to 2, 24 upon 12 is equal to 2. General term of GP. GP can be written as A plus AR plus AR square plus AR cube plus and so on. We see that in first term exponent of R is 0, in second term exponent of R is 1, थर्ड टर्म में एक्सपोनेंट 2 है, फोर्थ टर्म में एक्सपोनेंट पावर 3 है, टर्म नंबर से एक कम, तो nth टर्म में r का पावर n से एक कम होगा, ARn माइनस 1. दिस इज कॉल्ड nth टर्म, जनरल टर्म ARn माइनस 1. सम ऑफ n टर्म्स ऑफ AGP, Sn is equal to a r power n minus 1 whole divided by r minus 1 if modulus of r is greater than 1, and Sn is equal to a 1 minus r power n upon 1 minus r if modulus of r is less than 1. Geometric mean of two numbers, if a, g, b are in GP, then g is called GM, geometric mean, and g is equal to root AB. Example, geometric mean of 3, 12 is G, then 3G 12 is in GP. Therefore, their common ratio is equal, G upon 3 is equal to 12 upon G. Cross multiplication, G square is equal to 3 into 12, or G is equal to under root 36 is equal to 6. Question, find the 20th and nth term of the GP 5 upon 2, 5 upon 4, 5 upon 8 and so on. Here first term is 5 by 2. Common ratio R is equal to second term upon first term, T2 upon T1 is equal to 5 upon 4 upon 5 upon 2, 5 upon 4 into 2 upon 5 is equal to 5 cancel, 2 2s are 4, 1 by 2. We know that general term nth term is nth term Tn is equal to a r power n minus 1. We have to find 20th term, n is equal to 20. T20 is equal to a is 5 by 2, r is 1 by 2, n is 20 is equal to 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 power 19, 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 power 19 is equal to 5 upon 2 power 19 plus 1, 20. Nth term is equal to Tn is equal to A r power n minus 1 is equal to A is 5 by 2, A is 5 by 2, r is 1 by 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 power n minus 1, 5 upon 2 power n. Answer. Question. Find the 12th term of GP whose 8th term is 192 and common ratio is 2. Let first term of GP is A. Common ratio R is equal to 2. Eighth term is 192. T8 is equal to 192. We know that nth term Tn is equal to A r power n minus 1. Put n is equal to 8 equal to A r is 2 power 8 minus 1. It is given that 8th term is 192. A 2 power 7. A 2 power 7 means 128. A is equal to 192 upon 128. A is equal to 4 से घटाने पर 4 3 जार 12, 4 2 जार 4 4 जार 16, 3 32, 4 8 जार 16 से घटाने पर 16 2 जार 16, 3 जार 3 upon 2. A is equal to 3 upon 2. We have to find 12th term. T12 is equal to A r power 12 minus 1, 11. A is 3 by 2, r is 2 power 11 is equal to 3 into 2 power 11 minus 1, 10 equal to 3072. Answer. Question. The 5th, 8th and 11th terms of AGP are P, Q and S respectively, so that Q square is equal to PS. Let first term of GP is A and common ratio is R. As per question, 5th term is P. T5 is P. It means A r power 5 minus 1, 4 is equal to P number 1. 8th term T8 is equal to Q. T8 A r power 8 minus 1, 7 is equal to Q. T11 is equal to S. A r power 11 minus 1, 10 is equal to S number 3. Now from 2 Q square is equal to A r power 7 square is equal to A square r power 14. It can be written as A r power 4 into A r power 10. 14 is 4 plus 10. A r power 4 is P and A r power 10 is S. From 1 and 3. Proved.